Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel. 11 long-term strategies on how to make money online. So make sure to watch the full video. Long-term methods for making money online. It's time to look at a few long-term internet income techniques. The next list of money-making suggestions may include a time and financial investment. If you want to increase your skill set and employment portfolio, they are still something to think about. 11. Work as an online assistant. A virtual assistant offers auxiliary services to individuals, organizations, or corporations. Being a virtual assistant is a terrific way to earn money online if you enjoy planning, organizing, or performing administrative work. As independent contractors, many virtual assistants are allowed to operate from anywhere. Additionally, the initial fees are low, and you may expect to make about $58,000 a year on average. Writing, time management, and communication are among the abilities a virtual assistant should have. Online marketplaces like Fiverr and Freelancer make marketing your services the simplest. As an alternative, work for a virtual assistant business and earn money by serving vetted clients. 10. Submit a freelance employment application. Making money at your own pace through freelancing is fantastic. You have complete control over your clientele, working schedule, and fees. Freelancing is a popular option to supplement your income because there are more than 50 million of them in the United States alone. Among the numerous prosperous independent contractors are Kelly Vaughn and Mohammed Kasim. You can provide a wide variety of freelance services. Web design and development, translation, accountancy, and video production are some of the most sought-after freelance specialties. To get started, create an account on one of these freelance websites and begin looking for jobs. Upwork focuses on major projects that call for independent contractors with specialized talents. Freelancer offers 1,800 plus different areas of freelance employment. Uru offers projects from freelancers or small to medium-sized companies. Create an online portfolio to complement your resume on job boards and increase your chances of landing lucrative jobs. Make sure your pricing structure reflects the time and effort needed to complete each project. 9. Buy shares of stock. A great way to generate passive income is by investing in stocks. Buy a share of a company to start, then sell it when its value rises. In the beginning, it might be challenging. Thankfully, a ton of websites, shows, and YouTube channels provide trading guidance. They frequently offer opinions, advice, and shortcuts regarding stock trading techniques. We Study Billionaires, A Wealth of Common Sense, and Collab Fund is a few well-liked educational resources. Reading stockbroker trade reviews and keeping up with market news can also be helpful. Among the numerous stock trading YouTube channels to watch are Rainer Teo and Whiteboard Finance. An online stockbroker facilitating transactions is the simplest way to purchase stocks. Our top picks are listed below. E-Trade. Perfect for long-term investors seeking a low initial deposit requirement. Users must fund their accounts, though, within 30 days. The TD Ameritrade. A commission-free trading environment with top-notch customer service. Finance company Fidelity. Enables investors with little capital to participate in the stock market by offering fractional shares. 8. Earn income from blogging. For serious writers, blogging is a fantastic way to make money. Many people create blogs in order to share knowledge, voice opinions, and build brands. Say Yes and Anywhere We Roam are two popular blogs. A blog can be started on any subject. You can find a lucrative niche by investigating well-liked blog topic ideas. Travel, culinary, and literary blogs are a few examples of blog niches. Find a niche for your blog and develop an audience by regularly publishing high-quality content. It's crucial to implement efficient marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, strategies. 7. Distribute ebooks. Anyone can now self-publish an ebook, thanks to the growth of this industry. The lack of printing and shipping fees makes it a great choice for beginners. The publishing company's royalty policy will have an impact on the income you make from ebooks. For instance, for books sold on the Kindle store, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing offers royalties of up to 70%. Below are additional ebook publishers and their respective royalty rates outside of Amazon. The Barnes & Noble Press offers a 70% royalty percentage on ebook sales. Kindle Writing Life, if the book costs at least $2.99, gives authors 70% of the list price. Authors can use Apple Books. regardless of price, offers authors 70% royalties on ebook sales. Check your ebook carefully for formatting issues, typos, and grammatical errors before self-publishing it. Additionally, think about working with a graphic designer to make an eye-catching ebook cover. 6. Design a web-based course. By 2026, it is anticipated that the market for e-learning will have grown to almost $400 billion. Selling online courses is a great idea if you are an expert in a particular field and enjoy selecting educational resources. Digital courses are available in a range of formats, from straightforward PDF downloads to videos. Popular subjects for online courses include digital marketing, business and entrepreneurship, health and wellness, finance and investing, and personal development. Without writing a single line of code, get a contemporary, fully responsive website. 5. Create your website. Using a WordPress LMS plugin, you can build an e-learning website. Then, market the courses as digital downloads or develop a membership structure to keep them behind a paywall. The following are some e-learning platforms you might want to test out first. Udemy offers tutorials, tests, coding challenges, and forums for discussion on various subjects. Skillshare, outstanding for marketing creative and digital art courses. Teachable, on Spotlight, an e-learning marketplace powered by Teachable and Hotmart, creators can have their courses and live events highlighted. Podia is a website that allows users to purchase memberships, digital downloads, and online courses. Courses can be made standalone or drip style by users. They can also group related courses and sell them together. For online tutor students, consider working as an online tutor if you want to teach but don't want to sell digital courses. Today, a lot of students seek out online instruction. Independent tutors frequently advertise their services and accept payments via PayPal through video conferencing apps like Zoom or Skype. Before selecting a subject to teach, consider your area of expertise. Math, languages, and computers are some of the more well-liked tutoring topics. Make money by creating learning modules, offering lessons on demand, and giving individualized feedback. When you're ready, start a website or sign up for an online tutoring service to advertise your services. For those considering starting an online tutoring business, here are 4 well-liked platforms. 3. Provide digital marketing solutions. Business owners who hire marketing consultants are better able to reach their target markets and increase sales. To help websites rank higher on SERPs, attract more traffic, and generate leads, offer SEO services. Planning and carrying out marketing strategies on various social platforms is another way to provide social media management services. Improved audience engagement and brand recognition are promoted by these activities. WordPress users have access to a wealth of resources that can teach them WordPress SEO. To expand your knowledge, take a Google Analytics Academy course or get an SEO certificate from a reputable website like SEMrush Academy. 2. Become a travel advisor. Travel advisors are in greater demand as a result of the booming tourism sector. For both private travelers and companies, travel consultants create the perfect travel experience. For those who enjoy sharing the best places in town to make money online, whether they are frequent travelers or locals, this job is ideal. In the US, a travel consultant can expect to make around $70,000 per year in base pay. The job has perks like remote working, a flexible schedule, and travel opportunities. Utilize your own website to advertise your products. Take a cue from travel consultants like Travel Boker Adventures and Wanderlust Travel Consultants. As an alternative, register on websites like Reco as a travel advisor or trip planner. 1. Market advertising space. One of the most popular strategies for generating passive income from a website is the sale of digital advertising space. The more interactions you generate, because advertising revenue is calculated based on clicks or user impressions, the more money you'll make. Before purchasing a space, advertisers take the content category, audience demographics, and user devices into account. Therefore, it is crucial to improve SEO tactics and produce high-quality content. Join an advertising network like Google AdSense, then embed the ad code on your website to start selling at spaces. To add AdSense to WordPress, use our tutorial if you manage a WordPress website. Don't overwhelm the site with ads, though, as this will hurt the user experience. Instead, choose the best ad placement locations using a heat map software tool to maximize conversions. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.